everybody. It is week 3 of our skill of the week, and if you've been following along, we've already done position, we've already done balance, and today we're going to do braking. So, proper braking technique, very, very important if you wish to stop your bike and not fly over the handlebars. So, number 1, there's a lot of different brakes out there, okay? So a lot of you at home may have what we still call coaster brakes. That's when you pedal backwards, and that's what stops the bike, all right? So if you have to pedal backwards to stop the bike, there's not much else you could do, okay? There's not many other tips. But if you have actual brake levers, which I have here, I'm gonna give you a few tips on proper braking, all right? So that's the first thing I need to cover. Second thing is, if you have brake levers like this, I want you to get used to using 1 or 2 fingers to stop the bike, to use those brake levers. The reason why is because if you grab that whole brake lever with your entire hand, you're probably going to grab it too hard, and as we all know, if we brake too hard, you're going to throw yourself over the handlebars. So I use 1 finger and I slide it all the way out to the notch in the lever, just like this. But if you're uncomfortable using 1, get used to using 2, and then you can kind of work your way down. The next thing is, if you've ever been riding in your neighborhood and you need to stop very, very quickly because a car, another kid, a dog runs out in front of you and you need to stop quickly, this is how you do so without throwing yourself over the handlebars. So what you need to do is, when that thing happens, is you need to push your weight back, all right? You need to get your booty back over the saddle. That way you don't throw yourself over the handlebars. That's called a quick stop. Here's what it looks like. Like I mentioned before, if you have these brake levers right here, that means you have a front brake and a back brake. Your front brake is going to be a lot more powerful than your back brake. Watch this, for instance. So remember, right rear. That's how I remember it. Right rear. That's going to change your gears on the rear. That's going to change that's going to brake in your rear on the right rear. So if I'm using my front right here, when I roll my bike and I grab the front, do you see my rear tire come up just like this? Okay, so very strong, right? But if I'm using my right rear right here to brake, see how I can lock it out and still drags? That's not as strong. Something fun you can do at home to practice braking is red light, green light on your bike. This is what it looks like.
Green light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Green light.